Hey guys, so welcome to another video on my channel. If this is your first time watching me, hello. My name is Cherie Elise. Thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for your continued support for all my subbies that are coming back and watching my video. And let's just go ahead and hop into this. No, seriously though.
I will leave a link down below because nobody want to hear about the BoxyCharm if you already know about it. But pretty much it's a monthly subscription. But this box particularly is Boxyluxe, and this one is every 3 months. They send this one out every 3 months. To get on this one, you have to get on a waiting list for this one, and you have to already be a current BoxyCharm member. So you have to already be receiving the regular BoxyCharm boxes before you can even be on the waiting list for these boxes that come out every 3 months. So I will, again, leave a link down in my description box. So definitely go down there and check out more information about that and how you can get it and stuff like that. There'll be helpful information. So I'll leave that link down below for you. And so let's just go ahead and get started. I know you guys want to see what's in this box.
Here's the box. BoxyCharm box. This is the Boxyluxe. Boxyluxe box. Okay, so this is what it looks like pretty much when you open it up. The theme for this Boxyluxe box is Getaway. I have box variation 6B, and there's 9 products in this box. So I'm going to actually calculate everything up at the end of the video and let you know exactly how much the whole price of this is. So how much the whole value of this box is. The very first product that I have in this box is this product right here. So this is the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. It says this is a styling spray that creates instant volume and texture that's almost as light as air for big lasting results on dry hair. It also gives UV protection and is silicone free and safe for colored and chemically treated hair. So this is awesome. This is an awesome product. I actually did use this my very last day of one of my wash and goes. It does provide instant volume. You see how I have all this on one side? I feel like this is really flat because all this is on this side, making it big and voluminous, and this side's like usually like down and flat. And I tried it when I first received this box, and it instantly made it bigger. I didn't use it today. I'm okay. It's not that crucial for me. I like to just ride it out naturally for quite a bit. But this is amazing, and it has UV protection. It's safe for chemically treated hair or colored hair, so you can't go wrong. This actually retails for $29. Really happy I got this in the box. Okay, so next thing is a big old pouch, and this is by PYT. Let's see what color I got. I really want purple, coral, or blue, not the light one. I got purple. Look, I'm so excited right now. I got purple. This is how it looks though. So you know how typical all that goes, and there's the button. So I'm gonna read a little bit. It has a little working vent in the back. That's cool. And then it also came with 2 attachments. I'm really excited that this came with a diffuser, because I've never used one before in my life, but a diffuser. And then this one, I guess it's to straighten, blow it dry it straight down or something, like to be exact, instead of blowing all over the place. So these 2 are good pieces to attachments. Pretty cool guys, pretty cool. I love it. So this is a mini turbo on the go blow dryer. It's powerful, portable, and lightweight, and easy to use, and not only will decrease your drying time but reduce frizz and lock in moisture. Hence the theme of the box is, you know, getaway. So this is good to when you're on a getaway trip or going on vacation, something light to pack. So glad I got this in my box because it's just convenient. I have this now at home and I can still travel with it. So yeah, so this is the pouch it came with. Love the pouch, and that retails for $85. That's probably the highest thing in this box, which it is. Next product is this mascara. This is the mascara by Trezeek. It's the Good Vibes mascara. So this mascara also, it's an all-in-one lash curler tool, lash enhancing mascara that gives you everything you need to take your lashes to the next level. This retails for $25. This is really cool. So you take the top off, you pull this part down, it even gives you the instructions, and then that's the lash curler. So, and obviously it's not wide enough like a real lash curler, so you have to go into like 3 sections. I did anyway, like the end, the middle, and then the front. Doing that, so you do have to do that, but you don't have to carry a lash curler with you. So once you do that, you just twist off the top. Here's the wand. So I do like the wand applicator. I do like the mascara itself. So this is perfect. I will use this up. So the next product I'm going to pull out is the Touch and Soul No Problem. Sorry, let me read that again. The Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence. And this is a primer. So this says, let your makeup stay a while on your new Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence. Infused with calendula officinals flower extract with this primer tightens up your pores and tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. So I already used this like 3 times already, because this can be used just on your face. You know, like most primers can just used on your face and without applying makeup over it. And then obviously it can be used to prime your face before makeup. So this is awesome. This is actually like a runny consistency. It's very runny. So if you dripped it on your skin, on your face, like if you applied it, let me actually show you the applicator. So that's the applicator, and that's its consistency. As you can tell, it's runny, so it'll run down your face, because I just drip it on my face. I don't put it on my fingers. I feel like it's more sticky when you apply it on your hand and do whatever, and then because the instructions say to pat it in, and it feels great once you do that. But at first sometimes it feels sticky, but you know, it feels really good. But anyways, this primer retails for $23. So that was this primer. This is officially my new favorite primer. I'm actually wearing it today. Like, look how nice it is, and I have some really huge pores, guys. Really huge pores, and this did great. Like, I don't know what to do about my huge pores. If anybody have any ideas or any suggestions, please let me know. So the next product that I have is this Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. It helps with a radiant complexion while rebalancing skin's pH level, tightening pores, and setting makeup. So you can use this just over your face, just, you know, just to go about your day. And it can also be used to set your makeup. Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. Can't read today. Like, at all whatsoever. Just can't read today. It says it's for all skin types. It has rosemary, ginger, peppermint, rose. Press to shake it really good before you spray it, and then you spray it all over. I love this. I've been, I don't know if you can tell, I've actually been using a little bit of it already. But this is amazing. This product retails for $35. So the next product I have is the Dominique's Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. And this retails for $17. I got the shade Peach Tea. I really wanted the Strawberry Lemonade because I'm more into pink. I actually have it on now. But I also have on Rihanna's Fenty Lip Gloss. I have to say, me personally, I didn't have a good experience with this. I tried it 3 different times. I tried it over another lip gloss that I wear every single day that keeps my lips nice and soft. I tried it over a lipstick, a liquid lipstick, and I tried it just by itself with nothing on my lips. It just does not work for me. My lips, personally, I would say if you did use this or purchase this, I would say you definitely need to make sure your lips is definitely scrubbed really good, because it will show every single crack in your lip. The packaging is beautiful. This is what the applicator looks like. It's not all of that. The applicator isn't. The product isn't, and the packaging feels really light. Some people are going to probably have their own opinions about what I just said about it, but this is my honest opinion about it. It didn't work so all that for me. I am going to use this up though, because it doesn't look bad under the Rihanna Fenty one. It pretty much makes it more shiny and less patchy because it like builds up in the middle for me. Even if I didn't apply that much, it's just so yeah. And so the next product I have is this product right here. So this is a Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic. I don't know, that right there. pH balanced yogurt cleanser with chlorophyll. This retails for $35. This feels amazing. I actually used this the first night that I got my box. I opened it up because I like to use the products, but I do love it so far. Next product I have in this box is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. This is 30 ml. This retails for $58. You only use this serum 3 days, 2 to 3 days a week at night only. I mean, I'm going to repurchase this when this runs out. This is an amazing product they put in this box. This is amazing. Like, I'm so excited and so in love with this. Again, $58. Like, that's a lot of money already. So the next product I have is this Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette V3. Is that right? Yeah, okay. Was that right? Yeah. Like, huh? Well, see, this is what I don't get. This says 3, but it don't say 3 on here. Did they give me the wrong product? You guys let me know. So for those of you who do get their boxes or you know, you're just watching other videos to see what other people got, let me know if your palette looks like this, because it says Pro Glow Cheek Palette V3. The box says Pro Glow 3, but this doesn't say 3 anywhere on here. So let me know if that's right or I'm just tripping. But so it has mirrors on the sides, and then it has 2 blushes, 2 I guess highlighters, and then 2 bronzers. The bronzers are like, girl, what? Like, what are you doing? That's what the bronzers are on me because they're too light. They're not dark enough for me. The blush I actually have on, but I have on highlighter too. I do have on this highlighter right here. This one. And it is very, as you can tell, I did put something over it because it was too bright for me. Like, it looked at silver on me. Crazy, I know. But let me show you guys. Maybe I should have used this one. This one don't look that bad. Okay. Yeah, see, this one was lighter. Crazy. So this is the one I have on my cheeks, above my cheeks, as the highlighter, and this is the one, the other highlighter. So yeah, those are those 2 right there. They are really nice. Let's go ahead and see if you guys can see that. Wow, it still didn't even come off my fingers that good. But yeah, that's those. This is the blush I have on my cheeks though. This one right here. And this is Dance Floor. And then the highlighter I have on is Headliner. This one right here. But I actually, like I said, put another highlighter over it. So that's why it looks purplish. I don't know if you can tell. But that pink one, the highlighter I used did look silverish. That's probably where you see the silverish and the purple. I don't know, but it is definitely bright. It's a great highlighter, so I'm glad I do have this. You know, I have a lot of blushes already, but I am glad I have this palette. Oh, this palette retails for $45. So let's see how much. So I'm going to add everything up right now. So the retail value of all these goodies in this box is $352. Like, like skincare and beauty related things, makeup, are expensive, guys, like per item. And we got 9 items worth of $352. Only paid $50 for all this awesome stuff. So I'm really excited. I get great value in this box for the price that I paid for it, just like the last couple of boxes. Very excited. So again, guys, if you are interested, I will have a link down below hooking you up. If you do join, you will get a free under eye like cream or concealer or something like that, moisturizer. Me and you both get one if you go down and sign up. The link that I will provide you is the way you will get it free. So if you do go under mine or whoever else's video you watch, you go to their link and sign up, then you'll be getting that free Becca under eye like concealer or moisturizer or something like that. Don't know, but it sounds pretty awesome. So thank you guys again for watching. I hope this was helpful. You saw what I had in my box. Don't forget to be positive and thankful each and every day. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Please like if you liked this video, enjoyed it, found it helpful in any way. And subscribe for more. And hit that notification bell. Okay, thank you. I see you guys in my next video. Bye. The things I got in the box, you can't, like, you just can't. You just go against, like, pretend like you don't see that great value on that box right there. They're just open. But anyway, no, seriously, though. I can't even get serious to say for a laugh. Hey, guys. I hope you... Oh. Like the video if you liked it, you know. Like the video, you liked it, and subscribe and notification bell. Anyways, notification bell.